I'm Evan Gaudreau. I'm the executive chef at Renzo in Charleston, South Carolina, and we're going to make some Zhug today, also known as Zhug. Zhug is a Yemenite condiment, really often found in shawarma. I like to just roast vegetables and toss it in a bowl with some lemon. It's really versatile, anything that you want to be herbal and spicy. So we have parsley, cilantro, some oregano, marjoram, dill, mint, oregano, marjoram, and we're gonna add a splash of oil. Now we're just gonna pulse a little bit of herbs at a time. We're doing a fairly large batch here, but eventually they're all gonna go in there. All right, add a little bit more herbs. Get them all packed in there. We are going to add our fermented serranos. So the fermentation process is fairly simple. We buzz them in the food processor just like this, and then we add 5% salt to the serranos, stir it up, and then we weigh it down. What we use for a weight is just like a plastic Ziploc bag filled with water. Weigh it down, make sure it's covering the surface, and then wrap that in cheesecloth for a month or so. Now, if you didn't want to go through that whole process, which is totally understandable, you could just char your chilies in a cast iron pan. Now this is cumin, coriander, and cardamom. Just toast them in a pan until you kind of smell them, grind them in a little spice grinder. At Renzo, we serve it on our shabazi pizza, which is a raw tomato, garlic, lamb, little herb salad with Zhug and yogurt. It's just a really nice, bright, herbal counterpoint to the really umami, savory pizza.